Good afternoon, dear student. Today we are going to start a revision of development from economics chapter 1. In this chapter we will discuss about the development and development goal will be different for different person here. हर किसी का गोल जो है डिफरेंट हो सकता है डेवलपमेंट का. एनी वन वांट टू परचेस टू व्हीलर, एनी वन वांट टू परचेस फोर व्हीलर, जिसके पास टू व्हीलर है वांट टू परचेस फोर व्हीलर. एनी वन डेवलपमेंट गोल में भी परचेस द बाइसिकल. तो इट विल बी डिफरेंट इन डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज इन डिफरेंट एरिया. So we'll discuss in this chapter about the development. What are the development goals? Suppose for class 10th student to score the higher percentage in board exam, it is the development goal for them. And for a poor person to find out the job, it is the development goal for such. If anyone patient who want to take good treatment, good medical treatment, that is the development goal for them. So development goal will be different for different societies. And sometimes what happens, any development goal will be not good or maybe the destructive for another one. Suppose anyone farmers who are living in particular areas or in this area who farmers are living and they need a irrigation or water for irrigations for their crop and a river passes from in that area and they have demanded their development goal is the construct the dam of the river. इनका डेवलपमेंट गोल है इन फार्मर्स हु आर लिविंग इन सराउंडिंग एरिया कि रिवर्स पे दो गोल सॉरी नॉट अ गोल डैम reverse dam construct road, that is the development for the farmers, because through this they are able to got the irrigation facilities or drinking water facilities are different and like this. So you know it is the destructive for others. Those people who are living in that area, catchment area, where the dam will be constructed. So they may be shifted from that area to another one area. तो इट विल बी डिस्ट्रक्टिव फॉर देम. उनके लिए वो क्या है, नुकसानदायक होगा. इनके लिए डेवलपमेंट है, इनके लिए डिस्ट्रक्टिव है. तो समटाइम दिस हैपेंस कि एनी वन डेवलपमेंट गोल विल बी डिस्ट्रक्टिव फॉर अनदर वन. हो सकता है वो चीज आपके लिए डेवलपमेंट हो, इट विल बी डिस्ट्रक्टिव फॉर अनदर वन. Take another one example. Anyone people who are living in same area for a job, they demand for to settle the industries in that area. Industries in that area. And it is the development goal for who are living in surrounding settled industries. But it will be destructive for who are living in surrounding area. जो उनके close हो रहे हैं industries के, तो it will be pollute the water, it will be pollute the air, it will be leakage the wastage inside the water, whatever. So it will be destructive for them, or it will be development for others. So at the same time, in this chapter we will discuss that development goal will be different for different people, and sometimes some development goal will be destructive for another one. So in this chapter we will discuss this point. What are the another one? How do we calculate the development? Development calculate on the two bases. One is the income and another one is the different factor. What are the different factor we will discuss later on. First is the income. How do we calculate the development? So how do we calculate income? Income is calculated on the basis of per capita income. PCI. Per capita income. Revision is going on, that's why I am writing in short form. Per capita income, what is the per capita income? Per capita income is the total income of a nation divided by total population. That is the per capita. If in any countries 10,000 people are living, okay. Sorry, 10,000 income, 10,000 rupees is income in for a family, not a country, a family. And 10% are living in family. So per person income is the 1,000 rupees per month. So it is the known as the per capita income. So how do we calculate the different nation as a developed, backward and developing? These are the three categories. First one is the developed, like in USA, Japan. These are the developed nations. Their per capita income is the higher, decided by World Bank. And developing nation like in India, developing, which are moving from the backward to developed side. And these are the in mid category. Third category is the backward nation. Backward nation like those nations are located in Africa continent, Pakistan like this. So first, second, third category. These are the three categories: developed, backward, developing, and backward. This category are classified on the basis of income, and whatever income maybe by nations, it is known as the per capita income, total income of a nation divided by total population. But if we calculate through this formula a per capita income, but there is the limitations of per capita income. What is the limitation? In your book right hand side there is the one diagram is given. If any nation there is no such equal distribution of income, then it is not good for a nation. For example, in your book it is given if A, B, C, D, E, these are the category. Okay. So this is the example is given of a two nations. ये मैंने अपनी तरफ से ड्रॉ किया है. Book में different data are given, but meaning is same. For a book, what I want to convey the message, it is the same given in book. In we are taking the two country example. One is the X country, another one is the Y country. A, B, C, D. These are the category of person who are earning income is the 10, 10, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 50 rupees. Okay. So total income in a particular country 10, 10, 20, 20, 40, 50, 50 plus 100. So 100 is the total income inside the nation. And total income of a nation divided by the total population. So population are 5. If you divide by the 100 by the 5, so what is the per capita income? 20. Okay. In another Y nation, per person earning is 20, 20, 15, 25, 20. And what is total income? 100. And what is the PCI? Per capita income क्या है? 20. So in both nations per capita income is showing the same. But if we start the deep study of particular nations, so in a nation there is the unequal distribution of income. एक ऐसा कि जो 50 rupees per income है 50 rupees, unequal distribution of income है in X nation. Or in Y nation there is the mostly similar income for all people. So this happens. This is the limitations inside the per capita income. In per capita income, many times what happens? Per capita income is showing the average income, not the actual income of a person. It is showing the average income of a person. जैसे कि दोनों X and Y country की per capita income same आ रही है 20 आ रही है. But after that there is the unequal distribution of income inside the nation. Inside nation, so this happen. This is the limitations of per capita income. बहुत सी बार ये एवरेज इनकम शो करता है, नॉट एक्चुअल इनकम. व्हाट सपोज किसी कंट्री के अंदर 20% पॉपुलेशन है, 80% इनकम, एंड 80% पॉपुलेशन है ओनली 20% इनकम. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ अनइक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम. So this is the limitations of per capita income. So on the basis of per capita income, we can't say any nation is developed or not. We can say on economical basis, but that is not a criteria which will show the actual report of particular nation. So this is the one. Another apart from the income, what are the different sources which also play the important role for development? Suppose I have income inside my pocket. Through the income, I can't purchase the all facilities for my family. Like if I have the good income sources, but in my family there is no such medical facilities available, I am unable to purchase the medical facilities which available in my nation. Through the income, I am unable to purchase the pollution-free environment. Through the income, I am unable to purchase literacy rate or whatever different. Through the income, I am unable to purchase the such environment. There is no such disease or healthy environment for my family. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल किसी कंट्री के पास टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ ब्रिटेन, टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ यूएसए, इनकम सोर्सेज बहुत ज्यादा है, बट क्या वहाँ एपिडेमिक जो आया है कोविड 19, क्या कोविड 19 क्या उस पैसों से कोविड 19 को खत्म किया जा सकता है? नो, नहीं. तो देर आर मेनी अदर एरियाज वेयर द अनदर वन फैक्टर आल्सो प्ले द इम्पोर्टेंट रोल अपार्ट फ्रॉम द इनकम. कि इनकम में डेवलपमेंट के लिए सब कुछ नहीं होती. These are the another one factor which play the important role apart from the income, like healthy environment, health also, good education for children, shelter facilities also, like this. Suppose anyone person who are living in desert area, anyone who are living in the forest area, anyone who are living in mountain or hilly area, he has the good income sources, but he unable to arrange the whole facilities for their children. Such countries, such nations, such family, we can't say the develop. So apart from income, what are the different factors which play the important role? We'll discuss in this chapter here. Okay. So what are the other goals? We'll discuss. Like other goals, everyone poor person want to good wages. This is also another one factor which for play the income. Good wages. Anyone want to good treatment. Any one person who has the good income, good, but there is no such respect, there is no such freedom for them where they can express their ideas, where they freedom for the where they can move freely. So like this, these are the factors which play the important role. Okay, so these are the points we'll discuss in this chapter. Another one point we'll discuss how to we calculate the different nation. How do we calculate the different nation on the basis of debt criteria? Apart from debt, what are the different factors which play? Suppose any nation income is less, but like any nation income is the less, take the example of Sri Lanka. But in such nation, literacy rate is the good, life expectancy rate is good. Life expectancy rate होती है, you know very well, कि एवरेज एज कितने सालों तक कोई भी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन वहाँ जिंदा रहता है, लाइक एवरेज है. सपोज 10% है, अब किसी की डेथ 70 इयर्स में हुई, किसी की 90 में, किसी की 20 में, तो डेट इज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी रेट, उन 10% की एवरेज एज जिंदा रहता है. लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी रेट अच्छी है. IMR इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट होती है कि बिफोर कंप्लीटिंग द 1 ईयर न्यूबॉर्न बेबी कितने की डेथ हो जाती है. IMR इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट बिफोर कंप्लीटिंग द 1 ईयर न्यूबॉर्न बेबी की कितनी डेथ हो जाती है. क्यों होती है? ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज. तो ये कम है इस कंट्री के अंदर. तो दिस आर द डिफरेंट फैक्टर व्हिच आल्सो प्ले द इंपॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर ए नेशन. Okay dear, so tomorrow we'll discuss regarding this chapter what are the different factors which play the important role apart from the income for a development. Okay, so have a good day. Tomorrow we'll continue here.